Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha Maths. So this is trigonometric identities 21th lesson and 4th exercise 21D. Okay, question number 2. Use tables to find cosines of 26 degree 32 minutes and 65 degree 41 minutes, and this is. So I have taken 3 sums. Okay, so to get your clear idea I have just reduced to 2 sums. Okay, 3, 4, 5. So take the first sum. It is 26 degree and 32 seconds. Okay, so third sum. So we can find 26. Okay, so this is 32 minutes. See students, this is, we have to split this 32 with the multiple of 60. So how will you split? 30 minutes plus 2. Why? Because in the table we have only multiples of 6. Okay, so why? Because 60 minutes will convert into 1 degree and 60 seconds will convert into 1 minute. Okay, see in the table, this is natural cosines. See, 0, 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24, 30, 36, and it ends with 54. If it is 60 degree, 60 minutes, that will into degree. Okay, so 1 degree it will come here. Okay, so now our first sum. So what is our first sum? So the first sum is 26 degree 30 minutes and 2 minutes, and to find the 30 minutes we can find and 2 minutes we have to subtract the value. Why, ma'am? Because the cos 0 degree, okay, the value is 1. Okay, and cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 degree, and what is the value of cos 90? That is 0. So for 0 degree, the degree of 0, the cos value is 1. So the angle is increasing, the value is decreasing to 0. The value, okay, the cos 90 is 0. Okay, so the value is whereas sin theta, it is not reducing, the angle is increasing and the theta, the value is also increasing, but for cos it is reducing. Okay, for cos 0 degree the value is 1, so it is reducing from 1 to 0. So we have to find the value. Okay, if it is 45 degree, if it is 30 degree, we have to subtract the value, okay, to get the minimum degree. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. Okay, see, 26 degree 30 minutes. Let's see what's in the table. See, where is the 26? See, where is the 26? Yes, can you see? Yes, so this is 26 and 30. So where is the 30? Yes, where is the 30? Yes, this is 89, 49. Okay, can you see, ma? Yes, this is 89, 49. So we can write 26 degree for 30 minutes, 0.8949, and we have 2 minutes. So where is the 26? 2 minutes. For 2 minutes it is 3. Okay, so this is 3. Okay, so where is the 2 minutes? 2 minutes here. This is 2 minutes. Okay, so for the 2 minutes it is 3. So first 26 degree 30 minutes you have to write. Okay, so this is 2 minutes, the value is 3. So we have to subtract. So after subtract we get 6, 4, 9 and 8. So this is the value, right value. Okay, ma. So do you catch it? I hope you understand. Okay, so this is 32 minutes value of cos. Okay, so this is third sum. Okay, now go to the fourth one. See, what is our fourth question? 65 degree and 41 minutes. See, listen carefully. Okay, see, 65 degree we can see in the table, but 41, is it there in your table? No. So what will be the multiple of 6 before 41? So that is 36, right? Yes, 36 minutes plus we have 5 more minutes. Okay, so we have splitted this 41 into 36 plus 5 minutes. Okay, so now go to our table. So see what is our 65 degree. So where is our 65 degree? Yes, so this is 65 degree and 36. See the uppercase, yes. So this is 36. See this 36, yes. So this is 36 and 65 degree. So this is 4131. Can you see, students? Says 4131. Okay. So we can write the value of 0.4131 and we have 5 more minutes. So 4131, where is that 4131? 65 and this is 36 and we have 5, so this is 13. Yes, can you see? It is 13. So we have to subtract, okay, for 5 minutes. So point and subtract. So this is 8114 point. So this is our answer for the second problem. Okay. Okay, so next the important one. So that is 9 degree 23 minutes and 15 degree 54. So listen carefully, students. Just a simple, very simple. Okay, and another one we have to add 15 degree and 54 minutes. Okay, so listen. So this is 9 degree and 23 minutes. See, if you add, first you have to add the degrees. Okay, so now add. This is 7, this is also 7 and this is 4, 1 and 2. So 24 degree 74 minutes. Okay, so this 77 includes 60. So we can write 60 minutes plus 17 minutes. Okay, so this, see, this minutes will convert into 1 degree. So you can add with 24 degree. So after adding we get 25 degree and 17 minutes only. So now find the value of cos. Okay, so now see what is our cos 17. 17 is will not be here, so we have to split this 17. So this is 12 plus 5. Okay, so let's see, 25, 12. See, where is your 25? This is 25. And where is your 12? 25, 12. So this is 90, 48. Okay, so I have just written 90, 48 and 5 more minutes. So 25 and 5 minutes. So that is 7. See, it is 7. So for 7 I am writing this 7. Okay, so now what do? We have to subtract. So 1, 4, 0, 9. So that's all. This is our answer. The value of cos 25 degree. What is the value of cos 30, kids? Cos 30 is 1 by root 3 by 2. It's 0.8 I think. Okay, 0.8 something. So cos 25 we get 0.9. So it is increasing. Okay, so do you understand, ma? So we have done 3 sums. I hope you understand. So it's a lengthy video, so I have tried to make to understand simple the problem. I hope you understand. So this is one more important thing, that is we have to add the degree first, then you have to find the value in the table. Okay, so but one student asked me a doubt. What she done, she did 9 degree 20 minutes and she find this value first, and again it is cos 15 degree 54 and write the value and adding. It is completely wrong. Okay, this is completely wrong. What does that mean? Cos A plus cos B, it is not equal. Cos A plus B, it is not equal. So you will study more with this in your higher classes, but it is completely wrong. You should not do that. We have to add the degrees first, and we can find for the cos value. Okay, so I hope you understand the problem, and I will do the next sums in the next videos. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you, kids. And the table is not clear to my phone, kids, and you have a table, and please verify that. Okay, I hope you understand my situation. Okay, thank you.